Hi, welcome back to Frugal Homestead. Today I'm going to show you how we make our chocolate peanut butter ice cream sundae. Not only is this very delicious, it's also low calorie and very cost effective. You'll see as we get going here. I'm going to show you all of my ingredients and then we're going to actually put the sundae together. My first ingredient is powdered peanut butter. We use the Great Value brand, and this is approximately $10 at Walmart. My second ingredient is sugar-free chocolate syrup. This is, I believe it's $1.98, just under $2 at Walmart. We also use the Great Value brand ice cream. It's the light vanilla. Make sure that you get the light. And it is less than $5 for the whole big tub. Alright, let's get started and put this together. Okay, so for our first ingredient, we're gonna get our ice cream ready. As you can see, it's 140 calories. Now for one serving, it's 2/3 of a cup, and I just use a regular 2/3 of a cup measuring cup. And I always stuff it down in there because I want to make sure I get my full 2/3 worth. There we go. The big thing about this sundae is actually measuring all your portions out, because you want to know how many calories you're actually getting. There we go. There's our ice cream. Next, we're going to do our peanut butter. Now, I've already mixed this up. We did 1 tablespoon of powdered peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of water, and that is 25 calories. This is going to be our peanut butter drizzle. Just stir it up a little bit more here. Now, it's going to be a little bit thin, as you can tell, but that's the way you want it. That way it pours nicely over your ice cream. So we're going to drizzle that over it. This thing tastes just like Reese's ice cream to me. I really love it. Tony made it the first time for me and I was addicted to it after that. So there's that. Now we're going to add our chocolate sugar-free syrup. Now this is 5 calories for 1 tablespoon. Had to go get a new bottle today because we used it all up. We eat these sundaes pretty often, actually. It's pretty easy for me with as low of calories as I'm allowed in a day to save 170 calories to have this as a nice dessert at night. Let me see here. And just fill that up. Look how pretty that turns out. There we go. And you have your chocolate sundae. Chocolate peanut butter sundae. Alright, time for me to test it out and make sure it tastes alright. Okay, So check out that yummy goodness. Doesn't that look awesome? I mean, that looks as good as you would get at any restaurant, in my opinion. Let me give you a look here. Look at that. Peanut butter and chocolate in every bite. Alright, let's try it out and see if it passes the taste test. Those are amazing. I love the day that Tony came up with this recipe. It is just awesome. And I love the fact that it's only 170 calories. Because I can't get an ice cream sundae anywhere else that I know of for 170 calories. Especially not no chocolate peanut butter one. So this is just great. And I'm not sharing with him, just so y'all know. But if you like the video, go down, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment. Make sure you hit the like, and I'll see you in the next one. Yep, not sharing this at all.